Hello. I decided to go live tonight to show some digital artwork. Hopefully we have some people coming in the group. Let me see if we can share some people. What I'm doing, I'm trying to create a picture of a Doberman right now and seeing whether or not I can do it with Procreate. That's the type of program, digital program I have. So if anybody looking to see how actual digital work is actually done, check me out. I'm going live for a few minutes just to see how this is going to entail. This is the picture of the dog I'm working on, and this here is the picture I'm using as a model to work on this one here. With the Procreate, first of all, you start off with your paints. That's your paints right here. You can dial it up to see whatever color you actually want or what color you're going to use. So right now, I want this color here. On this little scale right here, you can see that I have some pre-selected colors and tones that I had already previously blended in it, okay? And right here, what I'm doing, I'm using this as the model, and this is the drawing. You tap it on, and this is how you control the depth, how small or how large you actually want your pen or pencil to be. Then from that on, you blend. So that's kind of fine, so I want it a little bigger. See how that's going on right now? Okay, so I'm going to create the tone just a little more in depth with some more orange with it. About right up in that section right there. Maybe a little lighter right here. And I tap on the screen, and voila, there we go. You can see that now. Now, what I'm gonna do, tap on it again and go with the brown. I had pre-selected already, just slightly. I'm gonna go back to this dial right here. I'm gonna decrease the size of it and take it down a tab to about maybe 60%. Gonna come right back up in here, a little bit bigger, and blend right up underneath that neck of the dog. You don't have to press real hard on the pad when you're creating these drawings or paintings. It's actually a drawing, it's not a painting. And very lightly, I'm barely putting any pressure on it at all. I actually just have it just sitting on the actual glass itself. This is a glass. Now I'm going to come back right here. And tone it up a little more. Hope everybody can hear me pretty good. Just blending a little more in. Section here. And to the bottom. You're going to see later, what I'm doing, I'm prepping all this here to come back over it again with some other tones. but that'll be sometime later. A little bit darker. Go back over to the scale. Since I used that, I want it a little bit tad darker. Right in this section right here. Go back to the wheel, expand it a little more. Now, I'm come back to the wheel again, and I'm going for a darker tone, darker color now. Remember, that's the subject matter, and that's the dog that I'm creating from scrap. Now, right in here, I'm gonna tone it black. And you can increase the size or decrease the size. That's a good thing about these little tablets. You can do a lot with them. And I'm just dropping it, blending it, real light shades right now. Nothing real drastic, just coming down. And I'm pulling it. I'm just letting it fall on the glass and just draping it downward. Hope you can see all this. Bring it a little closer. I'm going to decrease the size again right now. Come and get this a little bit darker right in this section here. And increase the size again. Any questions, let me know. Going down. This is how these are created in this style. You can't get dirty. It's not messy at all. It's not like conventional painting. It's on your iPad. It's very fast. Like what I'm doing right now, I'm just laying in the values. I'm not pressing hard with the pen at all. The program I'm using is called Procreate. You can download it onto your laptop. It's free. That's right, it is free. From what I remember. Now, the time when I downloaded it was free. Now, if it's changed now because it's so popular, I have no idea. Now, to blend it softly, a softer blend, right over here. See that blend is a little more softer and a better consistency, tone, and value. this section here is going to be highlighted. But I'm putting a lighter value right in that section right here. Going back again, increasing the value. I talk about a lot of roadmaps in all my drawings or paintings. And this part right here, this is where I'm working at right now, onto this area here. Look at the different shapes. And what I'm doing, I'm duplicating it onto the pad. It doesn't have to be exactly exact, but you want it close. Now, as you work over a number of years, then I'm pretty sure you'll probably get it exact. I don't know if the speaker's on and you can comment. I didn't see any comments yet. Section here, I'm toning it back down to size, about 12%. I'm gonna blow it up because I need that area right underneath his neck right here. I need that area pretty sharp. And a curvature going down right here. Blow it up again. Good thing about these pencils, you don't have to reload them. That's the good thing about it. No fumes, no odors, no nothing. Just sheer work. Now I'm blending that down. I am going in a slight circular motion. To get the consistency I want. Going back again. I hope this helps out some potential artists who looking to up their game with different types of mediums that they could possibly use. Like I say, you can increase the size or decrease the size on these tablets. Okay, I got one response, one thumbs up from someone. Thank you. And I'm using the airbrush stencil. I'm gonna show you how this works right here. Just the airbrush right here that I'm using. Click that on, and that's what I'm using. I like using that one because it gives you a lot of soft value for your paintings. Well, I keep saying paintings, drawings. so used to using conventional brushes and paints, and I just virtually started using Procreate a couple of months ago. I'm also having an art show. Anyone interested in the art show, check out my page on Roosters Arts on Facebook and just follow the prompts. If you have any questions, you can call me. I'll be glad to answer your questions. It's about $25 to enter. I'm going to take a short break and I'll be right back. Bye-bye.